Do you know what is branch cache and peer cache in SCCM? Let us discuss this in today's video. In the current IT world, organizations are looking for lower operating expenses that can directly lower costs, improve productivity, and add value to their business. So, branch cache and peer cache reduce WAN usage and improve application performance by caching content on the local network. So in this diagram you can see how branch cache is set up for the workstations getting managed through SCCM, and in the next diagram you can see how the peer cache is set up for the workstations getting managed. So you have to create different boundary groups for the peer cache setup. Now we will discuss how to set up branch cache and peer cache in SCCM console. So let us see the steps. So you have to log into SCCM admin console, then go to administration workspace and go to client settings. Then right click on the client settings and create custom client device settings. Then give the policy a name and select client cache settings. Then set the below settings. Change the configure branch cache to yes, change enable branch cache to yes, configure the cache size setting, default is 10%. Then the last part is to enable the branch cache in SCCM for the distribution points by selecting the properties of the distribution point as given below. So you have to just check the box as shown in the diagram. Now let us see about peer cache. So peer cache is a built-in solution for Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager that enables client to share content with other clients directly from their local cache. So to enable the clients to be peer cache sources, you have to go to Configuration Manager console, then create a device collection. Then you have to determine which clients you want to enable as peer cache sources and add them to the collection. Then same like branch cache setup, you will go to Administration Workspace, then select the client settings node, and then you have to create custom client device settings, specify a name and description, and then select the client cache settings group. So in the navigation pane, select client cache settings and then set enable as peer cache source to yes, and then specify the ports as shown in the diagram. Select OK to save the settings. So whatever settings you have done till now for branch cache or peer cache, you have to deploy the client setting to the device collection that we have already created. Next step is to configure the boundary group options for peer downloads. So you have to go to administration workspace, then hierarchy configuration and boundary groups. Then locate the boundary group that contains the peer cache clients and peer cache sources. So you have to right click the boundary group and then select properties, select the options tab and then enable allow peer downloads in this boundary group setting. Thank you for watching this video. For more such informative technical videos, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or suggestions, do post your comments and I would definitely respond to those. Let's see you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.